Hi, my name is Mike Ayub, and today I'm going to show you how to run Desktop Originator and pull AUS findings directly through Byte. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to Byte, and we're going to click All Screens and scroll down to Fannie Mae. It's going to pull up these options here. We're going to click we're going to click DO on the web. So you got DO, DU, etc. So instead of exporting it and then uploading it to Fannie Mae, we're just going to click DO on the web. It's going to bring up this other interface. We'll need to make sure of a couple different things. First of all, on the upper right-hand corner, we're going to click Defaults. So I'll click Defaults, and I'll want to make sure that my DO username and password is inserted into the system. Okay, and if you put your DO username and password in here, and you attempt to pull your findings, and it doesn't work, then you may want to put the DU under the web portal, not under the DU account info, but under the web portal. You may not need to do that. The next thing that you must do is select Equifax from the list of credit report agencies, and the username must be this here. It cannot be your username. It must be the Fannie Mae username through Equifax. This is tied to your username and password, okay? So it's the same for all users at Cranbrook Loans. So this is going to be the username. The password is sent in the policy email. If you don't have the policy, the credit report policy, please reach out to your manager and ask for this password here. The other is going to be reissue report. We're not going to pull credit through DU, so you'll have to select reissue report. So you'll have to have pulled your tri-merge first, and then it will reissue it here. It'll automatically bring the order number in as well, okay? And you want to make sure that you include this lender ID 21927-00001. And as far as sponsor ID, you're going to need to have a sponsor ID. That's going to be the lender that we're sending the loan to. So I'm going to click OK. And now our defaults are properly input into the system. So I know that I want to send the loan to Home Point, so I've included Home Point's FHA sponsor ID here on this particular test FHA loan. The other thing that you'll notice is you'll want to click on this validate button to make sure that everything is error-free. If there are errors, you'll want to review and fix those errors. So I'm going to click OK. There's no errors found. The other thing here is under credit information, it's going to pull your defaults. It's going to bring in your order number, or you can click fill if it didn't pull in this number. And you'll want to select from this drop-down reissue report. Okay, and here you'll put waived or not waived for escrows, subject property type code. And then if you know anything else, you can input it. Then what I'm going to do here is, after having done all that, I'm going to click Submit. It will take me here to this Fannie Mae page. And I'm going to select my lender from the drop-down. I'm going to select all products. And I'm going to select interim. And I'm going to click Submit. It's going to run the findings. Once it's done, it will show me the findings results on this page, which we're not going to wait for. We are going to simply go here. So this was an approve eligible. And I'll click here, download files. Files downloaded successfully. And then I can click to view results. And you can see here, here's my AUS findings. I'm going to close this. And if I haven't already imported my credit reports, or my debts from the credit report, you can do that here under the import debts. And that is how you run DU through BytePro. Thank you.